Mark Cuban Heroes Basketball Center is partnering with a local nonprofit called Living for Zachary to host the Super Heart Health and Wellness Block Party. This is a big deal. Joining us this midday is Trina Terrell-Andrews. She's the CEO of the Mark Cuban Heroes Basketball Center, and Brandon Asberry, a paramedic, truly representing the Dallas Black Firefighters Association. So glad to have you both.
Thank you for having us.
All right, Trina, let's start with you. Tell us about this event and what people can truly expect. This is a big deal.
Yes, this event is as a result of Karen Shaw. She decided, after 2009, her son went into sudden cardiac arrest, and we decided, let's start working with them about 5 years ago. And just the awareness that they offer, from AED services to making sure that people are getting everything that they need as far as taking care of their heart. And we have worked with them with non-invasive heart screenings for young people ages 12 to 22, which have been complimentary. And the other thing is they offer CPR, first aid, AED training. So we wanted to do a block party just to increase the awareness, especially with our young folks, and get them engaged as much as possible.
So obviously, you know, the team, the crew here found a fun way for everyone to come together here. Brandon, you're a paramedic. Why did you want to get involved with this event? And then what services will be offered?
Definitely want to get involved to just spread the knowledge that we have, that training that we've come across, because you kind of run into some of the things with different people that aren't for sure, well, how much do I need to know, and do I know enough? But everybody can be a help. Being heart healthy and just the aspect of the AEDs and learning CPR, it's not hard. It's not a difficult task, but it can definitely save and change lives.
And I think for people to even just be there and see someone like you and be able to actually ask you questions is a big deal as well.
Absolutely. We always take questions. That's kind of one of the fun parts of being a medic, is answering people's questions, kind of debunking the myth and kind of creating facts among fiction.
That's what I'm talking about. Trina, tell us more about this local nonprofit, Living for Zachary, what they really do, what their mission is.
Their mission is to make sure that our young people that are athletes are not going into sudden cardiac arrest, making sure that our young people and their families are taking this serious. It does not hurt you to take care of your bodies. That's a priority. Self-care is what we're all focused on here at this event. But at the same time, your family coming together and being the support system that they need.
And Brandon, as a first responder, right? This is the spring and summer seasons. We've got a lot of athletes right now. This is Texas, right? Little said there, but what, I guess, is your advice for parents, moms, dads at home to know when it comes to the spring and summer seasons and being a paramedic and just being heart healthy as well?
Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. You can't start too early. If you wait until you're thirsty, it's too late. A lot of times with these practices at games, the kids really need to start the night before, the days before, and just drink and getting their fluid intake up, because once you stop sweating, it's hard to replenish at that point. But just staying on top of it, starting early, and paying attention to those key indicators, watching your child. Everybody knows their child, but just knowing the behaviors and watching them, keeping an eye on them. If you see something, say something.
Right, and like you said, big thing there, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Yeah. Before we go, we got to put that information out there for the block party, the day, the time, and how people can attend. It's
on Saturday, this Saturday, March the 23rd. It will start at 10:30. And it's at the Mark Cuban Heroes Basketball Center, 1800 Bonnie View Road. If you have any questions, you can reach us at markcubanheroesbasketballcenter.org.
Okay, I know a lot of people are going to be there, and it is definitely going to be an awesome block party. Trina, Brandon, thank you so much for joining us here on Midday. Thanks for your insight.